Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset your network preferences on One UI operating system. Let's begin. First, you want to go into Settings, scroll all the way down, and click General Management. Here, if you scroll down, you can see the Reset option. And in here, you can find the Reset Mobile Network Settings. We click Reset Settings. We need to enter our current password. And it will ask us once again if we for sure want to reset mobile network settings. And it's done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.